How to recover a Facebook account without an email address. In this video tutorial, we will explain step-by-step how to recover your Facebook account. If you don't remember, in this video tutorial we're going to use a completely updated method. As we can see here, we can't enter it. What is our Facebook account? Why? Because we have forgotten our email address and our password. What are we going to do? Well, first of all, we always recommend watching the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can troubleshoot and recover your device. In order to recover what? This is our email address and password. There are several ways we can do it here. It tells us that it can be by phone number or by email. If you don't know either of these two options, it's very easy. What are we going to do? We're going to go to the following configurations. We're going to explain 3 ways you can do it. The first thing would be to go here to Google and ask. Let's write Google here. We write Google. Here on Google you would find what this little ball on the upper right side is. You're going to select it, then you're going to click here where it says, Manage Google Account. We're going to manage it and then we'll go here to Security. We're going here safely. Well, let's say that you don't get that little ball that appears there. Don't worry, we'll explain another one. There is also a different method that you can use. We could go here, to our Play Store. We're going to the Play Store and we're going back here again, the little ball. We click again on Manage and then go back to Security. Here in Security we'll find all the options we're looking for. Another way to access it is directly from here. We go to Settings, and then we go here. We're going to go down and we're going to find. We'll find this Google Account option. Select Manage Account. We select the account. We click here where it says Google Account and then we select the same option again in Security. Here we can see. Let's select Security, and while we're here, in terms of security, we'll go to the last options. Here at the bottom we'll find this option that says Manage Password. Let's select this option that says Manage Password. Let's click here. Let's select this. Let's select what is Facebook. Here it will ask for a screen lock. If you have one, it will ask for it. If not, we'll be able to find all those Facebook accounts here. Here it tells us, it gives us the email, and from here it gives us the option to copy that password. Here we can see everything. We copy it here. We copy it here too. We can see it if we want. But the idea is simply to recover our password. We copied everything, including the email and the password. This would give us access to our device. This is an alternative email that we have created here. It will give us everything, to be able to access what is ours. Our Facebook page, and in this easy and simple way we will be able to. I'm going to give it my all here in the jump. You can add here a phone number. All of that. This is an alternative email address. I'm just going to log in. That's all for this video tutorial.